Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another update. Welcome back to the development of St. Thomas. Welcome back to the channel. Manners in general. So we say welcome back to the channel, and our viewers and subscribers. Welcome back. Hope you all doing great. Hope you all doing well. So you know what they do? So just do the do. Like, comment and share, and if you are new, I would love you to subscribe to my channel, viewers and subscribers. I want to know what they do, as we said, just do the do. So viewers, today we are out at Pondside, Yallahs. I don't know response to the contract already, Bill Rite. So live and direct we are doing it, viewers. As you can see, asphalt paving are going, so we soon catch up on the machine. And make you see the asphalt come out live. But we like to go in the details, so in order to go see the details, viewers. You don't have to stick and stay, Because we have the development of St. Thomas continue, viewers and subscribers. A Bill Rite response to this piece of contract, You understand me? I say, water chucked up on the ground, everything, woo, well steamy. Cha-cha. Yeah. So what we say with the Pondside? See the pond there? I've an in khaki suit. No, what? Me look like a back to school female now. Yeah. So when I stick and stay, I can go in with the detail, I can see what I go on, viewers. So you know in the asphalt, I go on in all this cars, a chaos in the traffic, Yeah, man, a lot of traffic, viewers. Whole heap of traffic always. Kind of make the worker them can't do them workers. How them to do it because lots of traffic, viewers. But you know, them still do them thing, man. As you know, all can see. I remember. Yeah, man, you know me I talk about, so. It's a Bill Rite response to what you're saying now. Bill Rite contract these viewers and subscribers, so. We have said the development of St. Thomas continue right across. So it's St. Thomas time to shine, viewers. So see the thumbs up there. You don't know what to do with it, viewers. Just press the thumbs up, man. And show them say it's St. Thomas time and them can't stop it. So we say the machine we are going to catch up on, viewers. We're going to see the asphalt paving and come out tight, asphalt and come out tight, live and direct, So stick and stay, So far me I walk from, because we reach late, so them already did start already, so that have to show the amount of work what them already done already, viewers. You understand? Yeah, man. So Mr. Bill Rite do him thing, though. Yes, viewers and subscribers. So as we say, stick and stay. I want to see everything, every detail, everything I go on. As we said, the development of St. Thomas continue. All if I'm nice, so just hope you can hear me as usual, but I couldn't hear loud and clear, and that's why we always stress on that, Yeah. So we know exactly what I go on. You see me? Yeah. steamy, hot. Tell you viewers. These are the thing more time, viewers. The whole heap of traffic, whole of the road cars, the man have to stop and wait for the traffic to get light. You understand me? I say, so them things are kind of amber the road more time. Instead of the road to push forward for a speed or for a little pace, it have enough stop. Because the amount of traffic. You know me I say, but as we say, a third world country, what we are do, there's no way to divert them. One thing, comment down in the comment section and tell me what you think. Them should do them thing in the night, but do it in the night, so take a whole heap of light and all them stuff there, and we don't know, maybe and them not see. If you do it properly the way you would have seen at the day. Understand? So comment down in the comment section and tell me what you people think, viewers. Early morning, later night, in the day, what do you think are the best time? Because to me anyway, I take it's going to be an obstacle in the way. It's going to be something. Night, light, day, traffic. But anyway, give thanks, still I get some work done. Yeah. Give thanks, that the development of St. Thomas continue. It no pause. It no stop. You know me I chat about viewers. I'm proud of that. I love that. Yeah. Me proud of that and me love that. As you saw, we don't show now, we don't walk out a piece already and show because I see the road kind of pass through traffic. So I just wait for it. And then you can see that come out of the machine live. But as you don't see the machine on the ground, so a live thing. So stick and stay now, viewers. Manners. Everything one time, viewers. You can see floor up on the ground. So as you see, viewers are float up on the ground, internet, everything up. You feel like when I tell about this traffic, this traffic can create a mess, man. Traffic can create a mess, viewers, when the road can pass out the floor. As you can see, I'll float up on the ground, viewers, so you know so everything, St. Thomas up. See them there? Floor them there. Yeah. Make sure the internet up, everything. Internet up. Light up. St. Thomas up. See, they are dumb, but through the traffic, you can't get to move. Gotcha. The next thing we want to know, viewers, say the first layer. So remember, comment down in the comment section and tell me what you're thinking about Bill Rite. This is the second time vlogging him on this channel. In response to the Pondside. When the traffic come across, chaos, traffic, across, coast, across, one piece of animosity, viewers. The worker them can't get for workers out them for work. Too much traffic. When the amount of traffic will pile up down this up. And the amount of pile, watch it. Traffic will get out of hand, no man now wait, everybody a drive. Watch it. Nobody now wait again and everybody a drive. Watch it. And now wait, nobody now wait. Something done in a foolishness, man. Nobody now wait again, see there? Nobody a drive, that's what it was there. Anyway, come make us see what I go on to. Yes, see what I go on. You see what I go on to as a year I go on. Anyway, the machine start to move again. So, I could focus on what's going on, what I'm going to show you viewers. Fire! Woo. Machine of stuff again. Traffic, find traffic. Traffic. When I watch a video, you can see. Traffic don't stop. We don't know if more people are going to live at St. Thomas or what. Like more people are going to live at St. Thomas. We can't say better. And about that traffic. St. Thomas just get busy. St. Thomas, they drop off of the map. As we tell you, St. Thomas back on the map. Up and active. St. Thomas just get busy stuff. Yo. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, it look like that is the last truck for now until the next truck forward. So look like that it's for now. So we say we bring it to enough make on the system boy. Asphalt Paving has now passed. Yeah, you know, finish out a Pondside. It's still there, Pondside still. Yeah, but you know, finish past the pan and go out more to Yallahs Bay. So you see how you know where the asphalt in. And remember, at the first layer, this is no viewers. This is the first layer. So you know them have a next layer come after. Not today, but when you subscribe to the channel, you will see. The asphalt paving has now passed the last pan. First layer, yeah, it's center my so. No know what they do, so just do they do. Like, comment and share, and if you're new, you just subscribe to the channel. And now that you come to the end of another video, you know. I would say big up to all my new subscribers, big up on yourself. Soon and known, you know, now do they do. Big up on yourself. See the Yallahs pan there. See they have on the car keys soon. Being back to school start early. See, so it's a big up to all the new subscribers. Big up to all who playing them part by growing this channel from strength to strength. Remember, zero we start from sky is the limit. As you know, say we pass 5,000k viewers. Bless up to each and every one that played their part, that took me there. You understand me? I say, bless up on yourself, man. More life, more prosperity for the item. You know what I say? You know what I say, viewers? So we just say, we're going to come to the end of another video, you know. So we just say, safe travel for the gravel, you know. See you people in the next video, you know. I'm out. So all the walk we are walk already. Some of them already done already for morning, guys. I just say we come late. So we just say, walk, they couldn't see some of the work them already done already. Can't walk on it, you know, because the traffic them. You know? See you people in the next video, you know, see you travel for the gravel. I'm out. Yeah.